Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah man, now move settings nation, and no, we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah man, Jaden Chase, another one we got bring another important reasoning on dancehall, entertainment and current affairs. Remember man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blogging truth. Viewers and subscribers, these exact situations are the ones the current administration does not want us to highlight. Instead, they would rather us think that our root cause of our problems is dancehall artists and the fact that they talk about issues taking place on the island. No! It is our elected officials, viewers and subscribers, who do not practice what they preach. Within the midst of the politically fused and charged campaign Stop the Violence Against Women, here we have an elected member of Parliament, viewers and subscribers. Them have to go fire him. Before we get into the reason though, viewers and subscribers, we are going on the update on what take place at the PJ Patterson stretch of Highway 2000 recently. And then we are continuing the reasoning. Look and listen.
Okay, based on the information we have, on or about 11 a.m., a Toyota motor truck was traveling along the PJ Patterson Highway towards Spanish Town. When on reaching about 800 meters east of the exit to Spanish Town, it is apparent that the driver encountered some difficulties with the vehicle traveling at high speed. The vehicle appeared to have been swerving along the roadway based on the evidence. It collided in the rear of a medium truck and then it overturned. It appears that it overturned a couple of times and then it came to rest with the front on the median. As a result of that, several persons were injured. We are able to confirm that 4 persons have died. There are a number of persons that have been taken to the Spanish Town Hospital, and we have heard that a few of them are critical, so we are going to do further checks on that. I am told that 11 persons are in the hospital, and as I said before, there are a number of them that are seriously injured. We are not able to say their identity. In fact, we have not identified any of them just now, and so we continue our investigations. Well, based on what we are seeing, the vehicle was traveling towards Kingston on the eastbound side. We have not verified the exact points at which it has left from and where it would have terminated. Based on the on-scene investigations, it is 2 males and 2 females.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, now let's get into the reasoning. Now, acting on the instructions of party leader Prime Minister Andrew Holness was condemned, obviously, the acts of George Wright. Him couldn't do nothing less. Now, General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang has asked the party member, yes, the MP, to immediately turn himself in because this now look good for the party. The video footage already go viral. We say stop! Them something against the woman, them are MP a do it. We feel be outraged as a nation, viewers and subscribers, and with elected officials blaming the situations and the people saying people in the inner city are the cause of war take place on the island with the big C. This is an outrage, viewers and subscribers. All them say ghetto people are the cause when them are the one who keep big election in the heights. A war take place whenever we are locked down. Them keep election and keep election party. Now keep in mind, Chang is also the Minister of National Security. National Security. Now he said they are paying close attention to the developments concerning the matter, quote unquote, trying to make it go away. Now he said if there's confirmation that the party member, the MP, conducted himself as is being alleged, the consequences will be swift. Meaning so them gonna fire him and charges will be laid against him. People will not have to make no voice be heard upon that one. Yeah. If we're serious about the issues facing women, I want to see the video. And as I say, as alleged by his spouse or him, and based on his statements, he must have said the woman in the video is she. If we're serious about these issues where take place on the island, I want to kick in the like button. Show them say yes. Consequences should be swift in a matter like this. You see the amount of outrage I found out with Canis Jackson. At the same situation this. Except it not reach so far. So what we gonna do? Wait until it reach to that settings. Now you know the PMP never gonna make this happen and not found out. And the spokesman for gender affairs, our spokesperson, okay, you know, they can be a man or a woman, and in this case it is a woman. Now Dana say there should be no place in the House of Representatives for an alleged person accused of these situations. And we have to say alleged and accused until charges are properly filed and we hear about court date. Now she's also taking this is an opportunity to call for unity. She's saying that MPs, both JLP and PMP, especially females, need to join together in condemning the growing levels of violence against women and girls to send a signal to the country, which is agreeable. Now viewers and subscribers, Wright, who is a first-term MP, could have a short-lived stay in the House if allegations against him are upheld. So if he might stay in office, these allegations have to go away. So because they're going to convince her to drop fear charges against him, which him that subsequently drop theme against she, and then the whole problem would go away legally, but not in the minds of the people. Remember, this is a representative for Westmoreland who recently turned JLP as where political affairs are concerned. These constituents could easily say we don't want this type of representation. So I go see the outcome. Woman them of course as the charges should be dropped on him immediately, and he should be kicked out of the House of Representatives. That's the talk right now. What you say? What you feel about that situation that will take place on the PJ Patterson stretch of Highway 2000? Yo, tragic. The only silver lining night of that, less people, less casualties than the people they think are now in fact being reported. There are also people that say why people that video and people never that help. No doubt there were people there trying to help, but just the footage of the people who would have tried to, you know what I mean, get some footage. I saw the something go. And in those situations, sometimes whoever chooses to move the individual have to know what I do. And that's just the seriousness of the matter. Sometimes you have to know what you do before you even try to move an individual. My condolences to everybody who, you know what I mean, lost somebody in the incident, and for everybody who knows somebody who got, you know what I mean, who are injured, and for all the injured, we are hope for a speedy recovery. You know what I mean? And speaking of speed, while I was not there driving the vehicle, so we don't know what take place, watch that speed something there. You can get there. If you say if you're late already. So if you left out 5 minutes late, there's no way you can make up for that 5 minutes past by speeding on the farmer highway. No. You can never get back time lost. And if you know that by now, people who drive car of age, them if you know that by now, you cannot get back time lost. So if you left out late, you're late already. Drive safe on the road them. Know what I mean? Especially the people who are public passenger vehicle, who are carry people. No, do the people them in on the vehicle. Nobody think about to catch the next load. Try to reach back a park for load again, for reach back. No. Hold it while you're in. You get your full load if you forget your full load. If you never forget your full load, that's how you go. Drive safe on the road, people. You know, you think we want to get there, but we also want to get there safely. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Let me know how you feel about what take place right now currently. the situation with the JLP, and also what took place on Highway 2000. By the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. You know the something where the like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Tell a friend, tell them, sister, and them, brother, them, for check out channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion, comment section open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. You know the something go. And for those who don't, yeah man, I move settings fam. And no, we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course we wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.